On Health is Wealth, today we will be discussing the 10 meals you should add to your breakfast. Welcome, breakfast enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of morning meals with 10 science-backed breakfast ideas to fuel your day with energy, vitality, and flavor. Get ready to revolutionize your morning routine and set yourself up for a day of success and vitality. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Number 1. Matcha Morning Magic. The article explores the benefits and preparation of matcha breakfast bowls, highlighting its antioxidant-rich properties and unique flavor profile. Matcha, a powdered green tea, is praised for its health benefits, including its ability to combat oxidative stress and promote relaxation. The recipe involves mixing ceremonial-grade matcha powder with a creamy base like Greek yogurt or almond milk, then topping it with fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, and superfoods. The article emphasizes the importance of presentation and suggests garnishes like honey, coconut flakes, or a dusting of matcha powder. Overall, matcha breakfast bowls offer a nutritious and delicious way to start the day with energy and vitality. Number 2. Waffle Wonderland. Plant-powered protein waffles. Who says waffles can't be nutritious? Waffles offers a nutritious and delicious alternative to traditional waffles, packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. They are versatile and customizable, allowing for a variety of flavor combinations to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Ingredients like chickpea flour, protein powder, and plant-based milk provide a nutrient-rich base, while toppings like fruit, nut butter, and maple syrup add sweetness and additional nutrients. Plant-powered protein waffles are a satisfying breakfast option that can support muscle repair, regulate blood sugar levels, and promote overall health and well-being. Number 3. Chia Pudding Perfection. Join us as we whip up gut-healing overnight chia pudding as a nutritious and convenient breakfast or snack option that supports digestive health. Made with chia seeds, probiotic-rich kefir or yogurt, and customizable flavorings, it offers benefits such as fiber for regularity, probiotics for gut balance, and omega-3 fatty acids for inflammation reduction. This creamy pudding is easy to prepare by mixing ingredients and refrigerating overnight, resulting in a delicious and gut-nourishing meal that can be enjoyed with various toppings. Overall, gut-healing overnight chia pudding provides a tasty and beneficial way to support gut health and overall well-being. Number 4. Taco Time. Get ready to fuel your mind with brain-boosting breakfast. Tacos are a nutritious and flavorful morning meal designed to fuel your mind for optimal performance. Packed with protein-rich ingredients like eggs or tofu, healthy fats from avocado, and antioxidant-rich vegetables, these tacos provide essential nutrients that support cognitive function and mental clarity. Complex carbohydrates from whole-grain tortillas sustain energy levels, while omega-3 fatty acids contribute to brain health. Easy to customize and prepare, brain-boosting breakfast tacos offer a delicious and satisfying way to start your day on the right foot. If at this point you are not subscribed to Health is Wealth, you probably are not going to see us again. If you are, congratulations, we will never let you down. Number 5. Quinao Power Hour. Quinoa Power Porridge is a nutritious and energizing breakfast option that offers a wealth of health benefits. Made with quinoa, a protein-rich grain, this porridge provides a complete source of protein along with essential amino acids. Additionally, quinoa is high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutrient-dense choice for starting your day. By incorporating ingredients like almond milk, fruits, nuts, and seeds, quinoa power porridge can be customized to suit individual taste preferences while providing sustained energy and promoting overall well-being. Enjoying quinoa power porridge as a breakfast option can support muscle maintenance, promote satiety, and contribute to a balanced diet. Number 6. Protein Pancakes Party. It's time to flip for protein pancakes. Protein pancakes offer a delicious and nutrient-dense breakfast option that provides numerous benefits. Rich in protein, they support muscle building and repair, aid in satiety and weight management, and help stabilize blood sugar levels. These pancakes are made with ingredients like whole grain flour, Greek yogurt, and eggs, providing essential nutrients for overall health. By incorporating protein pancakes into your breakfast routine, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and support your health and wellness goals. Number 7. DIY Protein Breakfast Bars. Ditch store-bought breakfast bars laden with additives and preservatives and create your own nutritious versions at home. Incorporating ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, and protein powder, these homemade bars are customized and perfect for on-the-go mornings. Research from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics emphasizes the importance of consuming protein-rich breakfasts for weight management and muscle maintenance. Number 8. Breakfast salad. Breakfast salads are a nutritious and refreshing morning meal option, typically consisting of leafy greens, vegetables, fruits, protein sources, and flavorful dressings. These salads offer numerous health benefits, including increased nutrient intake, hydration, weight management support, and digestive health promotion. With endless ingredient combinations and customization options, breakfast salads are versatile and suitable for various taste preferences and dietary restrictions. Incorporating breakfast salads into your morning routine provides a fresh and satisfying start to the day, ensuring you kickstart your day with energy and vitality. Number 9. Smoothie sensation. A high-energy breakfast smoothie is a quick, convenient, and nutritious option to kickstart your day with vitality. Packed with a variety of nutrient-rich ingredients like spinach, berries, almond butter, and hemp seeds, these smoothies provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fuel your body and mind. Research indicates that consuming a balanced breakfast smoothie can improve nutrient intake, promote satiety, and support weight management. By blending together a combination of fruits, vegetables, protein sources, and healthy fats, you can create a delicious and satisfying smoothie that boosts energy levels and supports overall well-being, making it an ideal choice for busy mornings. Number 10. Burrito Bonanza. Breakfast burritos are a convenient and nutritious option for busy mornings, offering a balanced meal in a portable package. Packed with ingredients like eggs, vegetables, and lean proteins, they provide essential nutrients to fuel your day. Research suggests that consuming a balanced breakfast, even on busy mornings, can enhance cognitive function and support overall well-being. By preparing breakfast burritos ahead of time, you can save time and ensure you have a satisfying meal ready to go, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits even on hectic days. There you have it, folks. By incorporating these 10 science-backed breakfast ideas into your morning routine, you can nourish your body and mind with delicious, nutrient-dense meals that set the stage for a day of energy, focus, and well-being. Whether you opt for matcha breakfast bowls, plant-powered protein waffles, or soup boards, prioritize fueling your body with foods that support your health and happiness. So go ahead, experiment with these unique breakfast options, and discover the joy of starting your day off right. Here's to your health and vitality. The mission of Health is Wealth is to improve people's life and health. Join us on our journey. Thanks for watching.